Okay, good afternoon, students. Myself, Professor Teradasti. Today, I would like to explain the next method from the subject, that is NSM, and from unit number 1, that is roots of equation and simultaneous equation. So, in a previous lecture, we have covered bisection method. So, there are in this unit number 1. There are two parts, part A and part B. Part A is nothing but we are having two methods we have to solve the numerical based on bisection method and what and Newton-Raphson method. Second important method is bracketing method. Newton-Raphson method is also called as bracketing method. Okay. So first method, that is bisection method. We are taking numericals from accuracy criteria and iteration criteria. Again, for same Newton-Raphson method, there are two criteria: iteration criteria and accuracy criteria. So second method on this unit, that is roots of equation. Unit number 1 is roots of equation. Roots of equation. Second method. Second method is Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method. These are the methods. These are the methods to solve or to find root of equation. Second method is Newton-Raphson method. So again, for Newton-Raphson method, there are two criteria. We have to solve the numerical based on iteration criteria, and second method to solve or to find the root of equation using Newton-Raphson method is accuracy criteria. Accuracy criteria. So today we discuss about iteration criteria, that is Newton-Raphson method based on, we take one example numerical of Newton-Raphson method based on iteration criteria. So the numerical, today we take a simple numerical on Newton-Raphson method based on iteration criteria. So I just write numerical. Numerical is what is numerical or problem based on iteration criteria. The numerical is using Newton-Raphson method. Using Newton-Raphson method and initial guess as 0. Initial guess as 0. Find the root of equation. Find root of equation. Equation is x cube minus 5x. X cube minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Equation is given x cube minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, and it is asked to do 3 iterations only. Do 3 iterations only. Okay. So the numerical is using Newton-Raphson method. Using Newton-Raphson method and initial guess as 0. And initial guess as 0. Find root of equation. Equation is given as x cube minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Do 3 iterations only. So let us proceed for this numerical. For this numerical equation solution. Using Newton-Raphson method, we have to use Newton-Raphson method. Which method? Newton-Raphson method. Initial guess. Here we assume initial guess x1 is equal to initial guess at 0 means our x1 is equal to 0. x1 initial guess. Find root of equation f of x. Function equation is given as x cube minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. X cube minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Function equation is given. Next, do 3 iterations only. Means you have to perform how many iterations? That is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. So let us solve this numerical based on Newton-Raphson method for iteration criteria. So the solution is first step. What is the first step? First step is calculate f of x and f dash of x. So first we have to find f of x and f dash of x. First step, find f of x and f dash of x. How to find f of x and f dash of x on x1? First of all, because assume initial guess x1 is equal to 0. So we have to find f of x1. Before that, we have to find what? Derivative of f of x. F dash means what? Derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x. This term is nothing but d by dx into f of x is nothing but f dash of x. We have to derive this equation. Okay, are taking derivation of this equation. F of x. Before that, what is f of x? F of x is equal to equation x cube minus 5x plus 3 function f of x. Then what is f of x? Derivative d by dx. F dash of x is nothing but d by dx of equation x cube minus 5x plus 3. Here we have to derive f dash of x means what? We have to taking differential derivative with respect to x. Derivative of x cube. What is derivative of x cube with respect to x? X cube 3x square. Derivative of x cube is 3x square minus derivative of 5x with respect to x is 5 into 1. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of 3. Derivative of constant with respect to variable is 0. Derivative of constant with respect to variable is 0. Means our equations are f of x is x cube minus 5x plus 3. Okay, and sorry, f of x right now here because it's not visible. Here, in this case, in this numerical, f of x is x cube minus 5x plus 3 f of x, and f dash of x square minus 5. Here, to find what f of x and f dash of x. Next step, iteration 1. Next step is you have to perform the operations or to solve the root of equation x cube minus 5x plus 3. You have to perform three iterations. Iteration number 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So for iteration 1, what is the procedure? We have x1 equal to 0, correct? Then find f of x1. Find f of x1. How to find f of x1? Just put x1 is equal to 0 into f of x equation. Into f of x equation is x cube minus 5x plus 3. Means while putting x1 equal to 0 into function equation is nothing but 0 cube. 0 cube minus 5 into 0 plus 3. 0 cube minus 5 into 0 plus 3. It is equal to f of x1 is equal to 3. F of x1 is 3. Similarly, find f dash of x1. How to find f dash of x1? Put x1 is equal to 0 into equation number second. F dash of x into equation f dash of x. Equation is 3x square minus 5 means 3 into x. 3 into 0 square minus 5. 3 into 0 square minus 5 means f dash of x1 is equal to minus 5. F of x1 is 3, f dash of x1 is equal to minus 5. Next step for iteration 1, last step for iteration 1 is we have to find root of equation using Newton-Raphson method. So next step is how to find root of equation for Newton-Raphson method. For Newton-Raphson method, formula is to find the root of equation x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. This is the formula to find of equation x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. Find x2, that is root of equation x2 equal to x1. x1 is 0. x1 is 0 because it is given in the numerical that x1 take initial guess x1 is equal to 0 minus f of x1. Value of f of x1 is 3 divided by f dash of x1 is minus 5. Minus 5 means x2 is equal to, by calculation, x2 is equal to 0.6. By calculation, x2 is equal to 0.6. So up to this iteration 1 completed. Up to this one, iteration 1 completed. But it is asked to do 3 iterations. You have to perform how many iterations? Iteration, that is 3. Number of iterations are here 3. So next, second. For iteration second. For iteration second. For iteration second. Formula is x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. But The question is what about x1 value for next iteration? For first iteration, we use what? X1 is equal to 0. That is directly given in the numerical. Take x1 initial guess as equal to 0. But for iteration number second, we have to take this x1 as root, that is x2. Not put or take x1 as a equal to x2 means the value which comes from the iteration number 1, that is root. X2 is nothing but the root. That root or that x2 is nothing but x1 value for next iteration. Means we have to replace x2 by x1. Means for next iteration we have to replace this x2 as x1. Means we have to take for next iteration x1 as 0.6. Means x2 is equal to x1 is equal to 0.6 for next iteration. Okay. Again find f of x1 and f dash of x1. How to find f of x1 and f dash of x1? Put 0.6, x1 is equal to 0.6 into f of x equation, and again 0.6 into f dash of x equation. So f of x1 by putting 0.6 as a x1 for next iteration, the equations are x cube minus 5x means 0.6 x cube minus 5 into x. X is 0.6 plus 3. Here now to put x as 0.6 x1 and f dash of x1. F dash of x1 is 3x square means 3 into 0.6 square minus 5. 3x square minus 5. By calculation, f of x1 is nothing but 0.216. By calculation, f of x1 is equal to 0.216 and f dash of x1 is 0.6551. 0.6551. By calculation, we get answer for f of x1 and f dash of x1. Next step. What is next step? Again, find what? Find x2. x2 is equal to, formula is x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1 is the formula. x2. Then find x2. x2 is equal to x1. Here x1 is 0.6. x1 is 0.6 minus f of x1 is 0.216. 0.216 upon f dash of x1 0.6551. 6551. By calculation x2, sorry, here f dash of x1 is minus 3.92. Here it is minus 3.92, and by calculation x2 is equal to 0.6551. By calculation we'll get x2 is equal to 0.6551 means iteration 2 completed. Iteration number 2 completed. Again for iteration number 3. We have to repeat the same procedure. For iteration number 3, what is first step? First step is you have to replace. For iteration number 3, we have to replace what? x2 by x1 means for iteration number 3, x1 is 0.6551. Okay. Then again find f of x1 by putting x value as a 0.6551, because for iteration number 3 you have to replace x2 by x1. Again put x into f of x equation, x as a 0.6551, and again into f dash of x equation as 0.6551. Find f of x and f dash of x1, f of x1 and f dash of x1. And last step is by using Newton-Raphson formula, x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. Find root of equation. And last, and the root of equation for iteration number 3, after calculation for and up to for iteration number 3, the answer is x2 is equal to 0.6566. 0.6566 is the answer. This answer comes from iteration number 3. Okay, when you perform or repeat this procedure, you get answer as x2 is equal to 0.6566 for iteration number 3. For iteration number 3, you get answer 0.6566 is the root of this equation. Okay, you have to solve this numerical based on Newton-Raphson method based on iteration criteria. Okay, so today we will stop here. In next lecture, we'll cover accuracy criteria numerical based on Newton-Raphson method. Thank you.